Hello, I'm Master123. Today I'll be showing you another trick and tutorial. If you're a magician and you want to learn awesome card tricks, start now by subscribing. Alright, before we started, I started off and I wrote down a prediction. And I'll keep that prediction right here. Alright, so I also got ace through 9 in hearts. So I'm going to mix those up. And we're going to play a little game. So what we're going to do, we'll have you can either say down, and I'll put a card down, or flip, and I'll flip the two cards. So down or switch, down or switch. So it's either switch or down. So you say down, 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 switch, switch, down, down. And we can do it as many times as we want. Down, switch, switch, down, 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 down. Switch, down, 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 switch, down, down. One more time. Switch, switch, down, down, switch, down. Okay. So now you could have done it as many times as you want, whatever you wanted to do. And these are the digits that we came up with. So this reads 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, ace, which is 1, 4, 2. Alright, so our prediction was laying here the whole time, right? So if we get to it, unfold and everything. I used 2 pieces of paper. So our prediction says 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 1, 4, 2. This is a really fun and easy trick. So let's get right to the tutorial. So before we start, you need to have this order in any suit you want. 9, 8, 6, 7, 5, 3, ace, 1, 2, 4, 2. So again, it's 9, 8, 6, 7, 5, 3, 1, 4, 2. So first, to demonstrate, you go. So we'll play a little game. You can either do down or switch, down or switch, down or switch. And then you say, to recap, you can either switch or down. And that will get it in the order of 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 1, 4, 2. Those numbers should be memorized. 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 1, 4, 2. Okay? And now, what you can do, it's literally their free choice to do whatever they please. So you can do anything as many times as you want, however you want. It'll only make it backwards. If you say one more time, down, down, switch, down, 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 switch. So now, if it was in opposite order, so like obviously you go 3, 5, 7, 6, and then lay it out like that. If it was in this order, you can either do from here to here, or do like this. 1, 4, 2. Just like that. I hope that made sense. If it doesn't, please comment, and I will try to make sense of it, if that makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if it doesn't make sense, and I hope you enjoyed. Please, 100 subscribers will get me to do another giveaway. So please don't forget to subscribe.